Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy put options using Fidelity. If you are new to options trading or looking to expand your investment strategies, you are in the right place. Put options allow you to benefit from a decline in a stock's price, providing a way to hedge or speculate. First, log into your Fidelity account. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the Trade tab. Under this section, look for the option that says Options and click on it. Here, you can enter the ticker symbol for the stock you are interested in. Make sure it's a stock that you either want to hedge or believe will decrease in value. Next, you will see a list of available options. Set your parameters by selecting the expiration date for the put option. Then, choose the strike price that aligns with your market outlook. After you have made these selections, you will need to decide how many contracts you wish to purchase. Remember, each contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Finally, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. You can choose to place a market order, which buys the option at the current market price, or a limit order, where you specify the price you are willing to pay. Once everything looks good, submit your order. You can monitor your investment through the Fidelity platform to stay updated on your put options. Happy trading!